A mammoth on the streets of a modern-day city. A creature out of place, out of time. Mammoths aren't part of our world, but we were once part of theirs. Thousands of years ago, we lived in the shadow of giants. Human exploration of the globe had just begun, and we were about to find out that the world was a very dangerous place. Look into the past, and you will see a battle between humankind and beasts that rages for thousands of years. This is the story of how we first ventured into an alien world and met monstrous beasts. It is our own epic about our journeys in lost lands and the monsters we met there.